Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you DHgate how to search seller. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To search for a seller on DHgate, what you need to do first is head over and open up your DHgate app. Then once you're inside here, be sure to be logged into your account with your DHgate credentials. Then once logged in, you'll be seeing your search bar on the top of the screen. Simply tap on that and then enter in the seller's name or store name if you know it. Then once you are in your search list, all you gotta do is look for the product listing from that seller. Their name or store should be visible on the title. Now all you gotta do is simply click on the seller name, then go to their full store page, and that's basically how you can do it. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.